a 1301.
You are not him. RJ.
Oh yeah.
You are RJ. Nice to see you, man. Man, I've been watching you for years.
Really?
Yeah, ever since I got a bike. I've had the riser there for 2 years now. I want to get my A2. I'm only 21. I want to get my A2 and get 300.
So that's good.
Yeah.
That gradual thing,
Exactly.
we all started that way.
How many bikes you got now? You got the Nuda, you got the KTM, you got the BMW, you got the Grom. It's 4.
No, not the Grom.
You don't
It's
have
a
the Grom
monkey now.
Oh, okay. You've also got...
So I changed the Grom to a monkey. You should see me on the monkey in town.
You still have the electric?
Huh?
You still have the electric bike?
No, these were on loan.
Ah, okay.
I've got the KTM 300 TPI as well. The 2-stroke Supermoto. I've got the Husqvarna 511 SMR, the Supermoto. What else do I have? I have a DT 400, a DT 360.
Jesus. So many.
It's my life, man.
I know it is, man. It is.
Everybody thinks I do YouTube for a living. I'm actually going into a meeting.
Okay.
I'm 10 minutes early. As always, I'm always early when I'm on bike.
Yeah.
But you know, it's my de-stress. It's something that de-stresses you.
Yeah.
You
I
know?
know, and I try to tell that to everyone. They're like, "Why do you ride bikes? It's so dangerous." I'm like, "It's a stress
completely
relief.
different,
It's
yeah.
You feel free." Do you mind if I get a picture with you in the bike?
Not with.
You've got.
I've got a clear visor.
Black visor. Okay,
I can take a picture of you with my
Yeah,
bike.
sure. I'd love that.
You can start it up if you want.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's alright if I take a video of it as well. It's alright if I take a video of it as well.
I can take a video and send it to you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, it's on my GoPro.
Oh, it's on your GoPro.
Just send me an email with your email address.
Okay.
I will grab it. And so on, it's keyless. Yeah, in neutral. Go ahead, sit on it,
Yeah.
start it up, do whatever.
This one, yeah?
No, the red one.
The red one.
Down. Yeah.
One day I'll definitely get one. Can I rip it one big one? Can I do it once big, as loud as I can? Yeah.
If you want to piss off everybody in the street,
I don't mind.
I don't care.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's insane.
So how long have you been riding?
I've been running for 3 years. My first year was just a little moped,
Yeah.
of course. And then for the last 2 years it's been the YZF-125. I've been on bigger bikes here and there, just like in the States and like private roads. But I've been riding for 3 years. Not a lot compared to
It's
yourself.
good. No, it's very good. I was riding since I was 9.
9.
Yeah,
Where are you from? Originally.
from Earth.
Earth. That's a good bit. That's a good answer.
I draw a line.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's good.
I draw a line.
You've always been this mysterious character.
You know, I do it for the love of these, not for me.
Exactly.
I don't say, oh, I want to be
Yeah,
famous. You know,
yeah.
I honestly,
I know, I've never seen you like that. Never seen
you know, because I just love riding and I want to portray that, because you know, people go and say I'm depressed or I'm antidepressant. Go try a bike.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it will get you off drugs. It will get you off. The only trouble you will get is with the police for speeding. But other than that,
Exactly.
you
You
know,
get stopped a lot.
it just, you know.
Other than that, it's good. And then, you know, sometimes repairs here and there, you spend
Yeah.
money, but that money's worth it. It's so worth it.
Well, absolutely.
Well, thank you, man. It's
You're
good to meet
welcome.
you. Good to see you. Keep riding.
Same
Be
here.
safe,
Take
yeah?
care.